Welcome to QuickLearn, another video. And today we're going to learn how to combine text using the concat formula, or the previously known as concatenate. So what we will do is we will just press an equal to sign. Everyone, welcome to another video for QuickLearn, and today we're going to learn how to combine two text fields using the concat formula, or the previously known as concatenate formula. So what we're going to do is we're going to add an equal to sign. We're going to enter the concat formula. We're going to select the first text field, comma, the second text field, and close the brackets. There you have it. The first and last text field concatenated or combined together. Now, if we want to concatenate with space, we're going to simply press the equal to sign, press concat again, open brackets, select the first text field, comma, parenthesis, space, parenthesis close, come again, select the second field and close brackets. That's it. And there you have it. Concatenated with space. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.